What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna go for a run. I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna bring you with me. It's really not that great looking out there. Let's give it a look. Yeah, real nice. So basically my motivation levels are down there, but gotta do it. News is I'm training for a marathon in October and also an ultramarathon in February. So got a bit of training to do. So yeah, let's go for a run. Hey guys, basically I'm training for an ultramarathon in February. 105 kilometers it is now, so it's pretty scary. And a bit of an update, I've been recovering from an injury since my last marathon, which was Melbourne. I've had ITB compression syndrome, been pretty damn sore, so been recovering from that, and I'm pretty much on the mend now, I think. So really ramping up a bit of a last minute training. This big guy just stopped and let him go. Look at the size of the bloke. For anyone who hasn't seen Saddle before, here's this bastard. Just keeps going, look. Who made this?
Check out this, look what I got for Christmas. Dog socks for running. Look at these bad boys, look at this. What in the are these? It's 2 AM. We're about to do our final long training run before Tarawera. We're looking to do 50 plus kilometers.
17 k's in for a big one at the Uis. For yourself.
What do you mean?
Future self.
Oh, I'm training for Tarawera Ultramarathon in 3 weeks. Is it 3 weeks?
What do you think,
No,
Dave?
I
What do you think
literally-
about the last run?
Not much right now. Training for 5 minutes.
I actually feel like I could just have fish and chips.
Day 2 in Auckland. Off for a morning run. Done. Nice. It's very warm here, very humid, and lots of elevation.
dropped my piece. Oh shit. Take a picture and pass it on.